How you doing?
Hello?
It's baby, you're fine! I am now recording video, and I'll play some Katy Perry, why not? The light and let it shine. Like the 4th of July. Cause baby, you're a firework. The light and let it shine.
Just on the night like the 4th of July.
Firework. Okay, let's go. Whee! Oh yeah. Ah! Oh fuck yeah, bro's got the steak out. Fuck yeah, cook us some food, mate. Oh my god, watch out. Are we good? Ah. Do you ever just wanna just come?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Have you ever had a dream that you that when you and then it's fucking windy.
Oh yeah, she is.
2 hours later.
They do some fucking jumping jacks to warm up a bit.
There we are.
Gotta fucking loosen up a bit, eh?
Yeah, I'm stiff, bro.
Yeah.
I can pop a squeeze alive.
Them twerking. Imagine look.
You fucking toolbag.
I forgot that's bad to do. Oh, there it is.
Only when it's cold. If your bike's warmed up, it's not that big of a deal.
Oh, okay. Got about half a tank.
Yeah, same.
Oh yeah. There should be a service station in Strathbow. You have no idea. I've never been there.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely, lovely! Touch-free automatic car wash. Fuck yeah! Red light. Red light. Green light.
We're going straight.
Yeah, we're going straight.
Oh, I thought we were going up Burn Falls way.
No, it's a different way. Do these lights activate for bikes? Nothing like your Wawa.
Your was just mini Seymour.
Ah, sure. Well, we did that at the same time, G.
That was good.
That was good. Girls me coming through. Holy fucking magpie, Batman.
Oh damn, that's massive. I've never even noticed that.
Neither, what the heck? Turning right.
Oh, fucking leaves.
We're on this for about 20 k's. This is about the Twisties supposedly out.
Fuck, that was a big one.
You right?
Yeah,
Felt that in the old Jimmy Nibbies.
that one's going through the generations.
Now, in theory, there should be no cameras or cops out here. Oh, fuck! Oh my god! My ass came off the seat!
Oh, that's the highway.
Yes, sir. I swear if these roads get skinny, I'm gonna be depressed.
Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, there's a bump there.
Oh, sweet, thanks, man. I'll look out for it.
You're lucky I got you, bro. God dang it. We have some vehicles up in front of us.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck! I just inhaled roadkill smell.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is really cool. That would actually be a really good photo spot.
Yeah. It wasn't some dude's driveway. Whoa,
Pulling up, sorry. We gotta do it, we gotta do it. Oh shit, do not come on the gravel doing any more than 30.
we talked about this.
sorry. I thought you were looking.
I was looking at the mountain behind us.
Wow, would you just fucking look at that? Just take a quick photo of the old bikes and a fucking ripper in the background. Fucking nailed it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
And feels good, doesn't it? You can almost just come doing that.
Yeah. My back's gonna be cooked by the time we get out.
Yeah, actually, what the viewers don't know is we've been riding for like 2 hours already.
Yeah. 2.5, wasn't it? Yeah,
about 2.5 now. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Not bad for this area, mate.
Yeah, not bad.
Nice and bumpy. Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
I didn't know I could twerk like this.
Oh, stop capping, you already know you can swing like that. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, that one was so bad.
Like a long cattle grid.
Holy fuck. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Get that on the camera.
Shame it's so dry still though. It's like,
Yeah, I know, it's not green and that.
if that was green, it'd be fucking gorgeous.
Welcome to Australia. We've got some twisties coming up here, boy.
Don't take them too quick, I'm still getting back into it.
Yeah, true. They're not too sharp by the looks of it. Oh, whoa! Holy fuck! It's beautiful out there. Oh my god! That's phenomenal. I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up. Alright, I gotta focus. Got some good bends coming. It's actually really beautiful out here. Holy shit!
Fuck. Getting high up now.
Yeah, right up in the mountains. Oh, watch it!
Oh, fuck, it's a big one.
We're going to be in Strathbogie in about 8 kilometres. Oh my god, do not take that too sharp. Found the young Mick Taylor, straight out of Wolf Creek.
He's an aspiring serial killer.
He's fucking cock blocking the bends though, Jesus. Got a couple more coming up. Move, move, shake, shake, now drop what your mama said. Oh, wowee.
Oh, man. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look, it's green.
We finally got some greenery here in Australia. Oh, this bend coming up right here would be amazing to hit at about 180.
180.
Oh, he's turning. Thank God for that.
I was hanging off the bike, bro.
Oh yeah, we got some bends coming. Oh, sharp ones. 50.
Yeah, drop back.
No, we could take that at 80 at least.
Fuck.
Oh my god, hell yeah. Oh my goodness gracious, that view is insane. Oh my god, I'm actually getting jitters, it's amazing. We're out with the trees now. Oh, it smells amazing. Just watch the debris. It's quite a lot, so I might slow down a little bit. Oh, fuck! Hit a big one as I looked away. Oh, fuck! Another one!
This is fucked! Yeah.
Oh, wow! Fucking chilly up here, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm cold.
The air is nice and thin. Oh, fuck, careful. I just hit a stick.
Got a bit of wobble there.
Oh my god, these bends coming up look good, but we can't hit them too quick. Down to third. Oh my god, look at it. This bend and the view. Unreal.
That was such a sketchy turn. It's no bouncy. Oh, here it is.
Oh, bump on that turn. Oh, there we go. There's some tucker.
Oh, God, I'm cold as. Yeah, it's freezing, isn't it?
Nice and chilly up in the mountains.
Alright, we're here apparently. What the fuck, where are we?
Actually have no idea where the fuck we are. This road will take us home, but I was hoping to like find a servo or something to pull over. Suppose we'll keep having to squeeze up here.
Ooh. Got some bendies coming.
Oh yeah! Got the learner out here. He knows what's up. It's absolutely stunning out here. If we weren't so strapped for time, I'd want to pull over and get more footage. Get some photos and stuff. Slow down, wildlife zone. Fucking don't tell me what to do. Maybe I want to hit a kangaroo doing 150.
I was like, yeah. Good suit.
How's your Wheelie holding on?
My whole body is stiff as a board, dude.
Absolutely incredible out here.
Watch that crashed. Yeah.
My ass is so sore.
Yeah, it's happened.
I definitely want to do this ride again. This one is really good.
Oh, it's a bit bumpy. Yeah, it's a little bit, isn't it?
I'm already high enough.
God, even these trees, yeah, straight through. These trees are amazing. Those ones right there are nice, yeah.
Yeah. You know what this route would be really good for? Just a 4K video and pure sound of just climbing up the mountains. We should do that.
Yeah, that'd be cool. It's like maybe a camera like on the back, like a 360. Yeah. Oh, that'd be really sick.
Jeez, we must be pretty high up because I'm not seeing many mountains that are above us.
Yeah, legit. There's a big one over to the right.
Oh yeah, holy shit, yeah there is. Man, imagine everyone's heating bills up here.
Yeah. Like it's just constantly cold. Nah, they don't look close. Yeah, it's a chimney under it.
Yeah, true.
Ow! Oh! I saw you and heard you, and I still did nothing about it.
Yeah, I think mentally and physically we're just drained and slow.
Yeah. Got worn out doing the fuck all parts, now we're in the sticks. Got no energy. Big brain. Biggest brain. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah. There's fans up here, that's how you know you're getting wet. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, the whole road's fucked. Yep. Watch that stick. I just saw a dead wombat.
Fuck, she's getting brisk.
Fucking cold up here. Holy fuck. Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah, there goes my penis.
Oh!
Oh, yep, of course, in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. Let's pull up somewhere, probably not here. We'll turn left and then we'll try and find somewhere to pull up.
Oh, fuck me.
Fucking hell, this is beautiful. Hang on, there's no cars behind us?
No. We're in Boho now.
Yeah. South. Even down there looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Yeah, so we'll pull up here somewhere.
Pull into this dirt spot.
Type shit. You're actually that cold, bro.
I'm freezing, man.
This is so beautiful. I'm definitely coming back out here. This is phenomenal. Like that road. Oh my god. Oh hell yeah. How you doing?
How you doing?
This ride's got me in that kind of mood, you know? Getting zesty, just a little bit of fucking... Is it weird that I'm half chub right now?
No. I got the other half.
If we see a servo, we'll pull in and get some fuel. Otherwise, we'll just fucking
Step it.
go for it. Yeah. But I'm like hitting all the sticks here.
There are none. Oh yeah, there is.
What do you mean? Here we go.
Oh, she's fucking hell, boys. Oh, wowee. That sun's just at the right angle to piss you off, eh?
Oh my god, right? Every now and again I just can't see.
Yeah, literally.
But I don't want to slow down. Wildlife on the left. Just watch him. Brake. Yeah. Hello. That was good for the camera.
They weren't kidding when they said it was wildlife. No kidding, huh?
Who would have thunk?
Head coming up. Looking pretty good. Let me know if you see a car, because I'm cutting tight on these.
Yeah, okay.
Just trying to be cautious.
You know it's sketchy when you're trying to be cautious.
I'm still dodgy on corners after fucking what road.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
I've got fuck all confidence when it comes to turning.
Cannot see, cannot see.
Jesus Christ.
Bad, isn't it? We're turning right here. I wonder if our cameras are picking up how blind we are.
I hope so.
Fucking hell, that sun is in such a bad spot. Oh my god, the bends that are coming up look phenomenal, dude. Oh, that view! Oh, there's like a red green light thingy. Oh yeah, slow right down, dude. This is sharp as fuck. Oh, this dude stopped for us. Fucking legend. baby bends. There's the cunting sun again.
Oh, yeah.
It's looking pretty straight for now.
Gets a full tank. Let's see how quick we can drain it. There's no way we've caught up with that SCS already. Yeah. They passed us when we're at the servo. Yeah. They might have pulled up somewhere. Nuh-uh, we're just fast.
Come up with JJ. Come up with JJ. Come up with JJ.
It's dodgy as soon as you go a bit quick because you can't see with the sun. Yeah. Ah, like that.
Nice juicy bend. Oh, that looks bumpy. Fuck, slow down. Retreat, retreat. Left, left, left. We're braking. Left, left. Oh, it's so peace and quiet. I can't even English, dude. I'm so fried from this ride. Oh, might be able to squeeze across actually.
Remember when we came at this one way too hot? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Nearly did again.
Yeah, same.
This is where the kangaroo jumped in between Lincoln and I.
Fuck, really? Just gonna slow down a little bit. Oh, golly. That felt really whack.